Welcome to the tutorial series for NAUTIS Instructor, where we are using version 3.11 of NAUTIS. We designed it to be simpler, faster, and more intuitive, and today we focus on anchoring. When a vessel needs to stay in one position for some time and mooring is not an option, you can use the anchors. Here is how to do it. First, go to Vessels. Choose your vessel. Click here and now you see all the options in the panel. Select the anchor you want to control in the left side of the panel. With the slider in the middle, you can control the windlass. You can also manually input the exact length of the anchor chain. Now the anchor is being lowered slowly with one standard speed, but you could use release, which means letting the anchor go and let gravity pull it down. This can be used to lower the anchor quickly or in emergency situations. To bring the anchor back, you can either heave or you can use this button here to bring it back instantly. With this streamlined experience, you can focus fully on delivering your best teaching. Less clicks, more teaching. Discover more tutorial videos on our YouTube channel.